Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Level Up Learning. So guys, today I am going to talk about the most important factor that many people face difficulty in speaking English, and they want to understand how should we groom our English language or become fluent in our English language. So I have been practicing for more than 25 plus years, and I have been training students the 4 principles of learning any language, that is LSRW, where L stands for listening, S stands for speaking, R for reading, and W for writing. So it is very important to listen to English every day, at least 10 to 15 minutes. You can listen to your favorite speaker or any motivational videos or any podcast from anywhere. Next is you want to speak. So if you want to get fluency in your speaking, you will be able to become fluent only when you speak. So try to speak to anybody nearby you, your friends, your peer groups, or your at home, or to your teachers, probably in front of your teacher, so that they will be able to correct you. Next is reading. Reading is one of the most important skill. By reading, you also gain self-confidence, you become more fluent, you understand more vocabulary, you gather more vocabulary bank. Next is about writing. So I suggest guys, you need to write 1 page daily. So each and every skill needs 10 to 15 minutes of yours. If you want to enhance your speaking skills, so please listen, speak, read and write. So this is my personal experience which I share with all my students. So I hope guys you will start following the same instructions. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now. See you soon.